Hello class, am I audible and visible, all of you? Yes, once again, welcome to another interesting session. Good evening all of you. Yes, Embibe, how are you all? All good? Am I audible and visible? Yes. All right. So yes class, today we have another interesting topic, that is indefinite integral. Is it? Okay, just wait for a moment, then we will start the session. All right. So yes class, before we start the session, we have a little bit important thing. So let's take a look here one more time. Exactly, so we have a Embibe VLE app, Embibe application and Embibe Lens app as well here. Yes, काफी बार आपको बताया गया होगा कि आपको Embibe application डाउनलोड करना है. Yes, Embibe Lens application as well. You can click and picture, yes, and know the description as well. काफी 3D मॉडल as well. Yes, आपको 3D मॉडल के बारे में भी पता चल जाता है. The most advanced virtual lab experience as well there. Yes, so all these three are very, very important. Try to download. Okay. All right. So yes, let's take a look here. Moving forward, all of you. Yes. Arpit, good evening. Good evening. All right, yes, sir. Good evening, all of you. Good evening. Okay. So another interesting thing we have here, exactly, we have a doubt resolution WhatsApp group as well. Even we have a Telegram channel. Yes, if you have any doubt, any query, you can clear there. Okay. All right, students. So it's time to do what? The integration here. Before we start the question here, just know the importance as well here. Yes, we have a very few days are left. काफी कम दिन बचे हुए हैं जेई एग्जाम के लिए. सो बी प्रिपेयर. एग्जैक्टली 5 to 6 क्वेश्चंस आपको डेफिनेटली मिलेंगे वहां पे इंटीग्रेशन से. यस, इफ यू कंबाइन बोथ डेफिनेट एंड इनडेफिनेट, आप दोनों को अगर कंबाइन करते हैं तो 5 to 6 क्वेश्चंस काफी हाई वेटेज आप देख सकते हैं. सो वी हैव अ कलेक्शन ऑफ अ गुड क्वेश्चंस. करेक्ट. यस, फ्रॉम लास्ट 5 to 6 ईयर, आप जैसे प्रीवियस 5 to 6 ईयर के क्वेश्चंस देखेंगे तो काफी अच्छी अच्छी क्वेश्चंस है अभी हमारे पास यहाँ पे. सो लेट्स डिस्कस वन बाय वन हियर. So here we have a first question here, the value of integration cos cube x plus cos raised to power 5x upon sin square x plus sin raised to power 4x dx here. We have a 4 option here. Okay, it's a indefinite here. Definitely if we don't have an option, it is very easy to calculate, correct? We know that we will get the different answer as well here. Yes, ऑब्वियसली, बट यहाँ पे आपको सॉल्व भी करना है, ऑप्शंस मैच भी करने चाहिए. हाँ, हम जानते हैं कि इंडेफिनिट में आपके आंसर्स डिफरेंट हो सकते हैं, बट आपको अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन भी मैच करने होंगे. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट वन हियर. एनी आइडिया, एनी अप्रोच, डू यू नो दैट हाउ डू वी स्टार्ट हियर? यस, इंटीग्रेशन इज लाइक, काफी लोग कहते हैं कि हाँ टफ है, ऐसा है वैसा है. कुछ इतना टफ नहीं, बस आपके सोचने पे डिपेंड करता है कि हाँ आप कितना सोच सकते हैं, कैसे सोच सकते हैं. यू कैन सॉल्व इट. यस, एनी आइडिया, एनीवन, हाउ डू वी अप्रोच दिस क्वेश्चन? एनीवन थिंक अबाउट इट? यस, all right. Okay, Arpit. Yes, definitely we will do all those questions here. Okay, so let's take a look here. In a numerator. Yes, what do you think here? In a numerator here, it should be like I is equal to what we have here? Cos raised to power 3x plus cos raised to power 5x upon sin square x plus sin raised to power 4x dx here. So just try to take a common cos x from numerator. Yes, take a cos x common. So what we get here? that is cos square x plus cos raised to power 4x whole divided by sin square x plus sin raised to power 4x, and yes, in the numerator we have cos x dx here. Yes, any idea? Exactly, we are going to use substitution here. Correct? All right. So in a numerator we have a cos square x plus cos raised to power 4x. Why not try to change in a sine term? Yes, we know that cos square theta is 1 minus sin square theta. Let's try to convert it. We get 1 minus sin square x plus, again we have a cos raised to power 4x, so we can write cos square and whole square x here. Very easy. 1 minus sin square x and then whole square, whole divided by sin square x plus sin raised to power of 4x into what we have here, outside the bracket we have cos x dx. So any idea what we have to suppose, what we have to substitute here? Exactly, काफी सारे sin x यहाँ पे आ चुके हैं. Yes, काफी सारे sin x यहाँ पर आ चुके हैं, तो अब आपको क्या करना होगा? Any idea what we need to substitute? We need to substitute here, let sin x is equal to t. Okay, so obviously cos x dx will become dt. Very easy substitution we have here. We get I is equal to what? 1 minus t square added to 1 minus t square whole of square whole divided by t square plus t raised to the power of 4. And yes, do not forget dt here. Now try to solve it. Very easy. Yes. Now in a numerator, again what we need to do, that 1 minus t square as it is, just apply a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab whole divided by t square plus t raised to the power of 4 here. Correct? Exactly. I hope you all are noted it done here. So let's move on to the next step. Next step, what we have here? I is equal to, yes, integration of, that will become 2 minus 3t square plus t raised to the power of 4 whole divided by t square 1 plus t square dt. Done? Now, any idea how do we solve it? Yes, at the numerator we have a biquadratic and denominator another biquadratic we have here. Yes, think about it. How do we solve this kind of a problem? How do we approach here? Anyone know that? So easy and simple. Okay, क्या करते हैं हम? न्यूमरेटर में टी स्क्वायर ऐड करते हैं और टी स्क्वायर सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लेते हैं. करेक्ट? Exactly. T square we have to add and subtract. Yes. Now simplify. Integration of 2 minus 3t square and minus 1 more is there, so that should be 4t square. Yes. Plus t raised to the power 4 plus t square, and whole should be divided by what? T square 1 plus t square, another t square 1 plus t square. So easy. Yes, exactly, 1 plus t square, and we have to make a dt. Now look at the right hand side here. Obviously that will cancel out, we get 1 here. So that should be what? Integration of 1 plus 2 minus 4t square divided by t square 1 plus t square and dt here. So we just break into two part here. Why not you have to just do this separately integration? Yes, आपको 1 का integration पता है obviously, t plus c, that's it. Now look, focus on the second part here. So easy and simple. Second part. Yes. Very easy and very simple. 2 minus 4t square upon t square times 1 plus t square. Yes, we have to do this separately here. So it will become so easy and simple. This is the first question we have here. If we suppose t square equal to y for a moment, so what we get here? 2 minus 4y divided by y times 1 plus y here. Yes, just do the partial fraction here. It will become so easy. A by y plus b by 1 plus y. Substitute the value accordingly. If we solve, what we get here? Yes, you can do it. A is 2 and b is minus 6 here. Now try to solve it. Substitute the value here. It will become very easy now. We get what? Integration of 1 plus 2 by, what is by t square? Yes, and minus 6 by 1 plus t square, and we need to integrate this term. Now integrate separately each term. Integration of 1, we know that it's t. Yes, 2 by t square, very easy. Obviously t raised to power minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1. Once we solve, we get minus 2 by t. Integration of minus 6 by 1 plus t square. Yes, write on minus 6 as it is. What we get here? 1 by 1 plus t square. Tan inverse of t. Correct? It's tan inverse of t plus c here. Now substitute the value here. What was the t here? That is sine x. So we get what? Sine of x minus 2 by sine of x minus 6 times tan inverse of sine x plus c is the answer. Done? Easy? Yes? All of you? Any doubt? All clear? Yes, so easy and simple here. So our option, which option is correct here? That is what? Okay. All right. So yes, you have to mark the option accordingly here. Now it's time to do what? The next part, the next question. Yes, another previous year question we have here. Integration of sine inverse 2x plus 2 whole divided by root over 4x square plus 8x plus 3 here. Any idea how do we approach here? Yes, we have a square root as well as inverse trigonometry as well here. Anyone? Think about it. So easy and simple here. Okay, let's start. So first of all, we have to start thinking about inside the angle here. Yes, look at here. We have a sine inverse 2x plus 2 whole divided by square root of 4x square plus 8x plus 13. Correct? Now focus on a denominator. But 4x square plus 8x plus 13. If we take 4x common, so अभी क्या बनता है अगर आप सिर्फ दो टर्म में 4x common लेते हैं, we get x plus 2 only. Yes, x plus 2. Something is similar in numerator and denominator. Correct? Alright. Or try to make a perfect square. Yes, try to make a perfect square in a denominator if possible. Okay. So let's try to do it. Integration of sine of inverse 2x plus 2 as it is, and at the denominator what we have here, 4x square plus 8x plus 13. Can we write like that? 2x plus 2 whole of square plus 9. Yes or no? Exactly. 4x square plus 4 plus 8x. Yes, we have to simply break 13 into two parts here, that is 9 plus 4, and we will get the perfect square. Now in numerator and denominator something is common. Yes, something is very similar. 2x plus 2. Try to substitute something. Yes, we know that if we have something like a 1 plus x square or like that, we have to substitute x equal to a sec theta or a tan theta like that. But 2x plus 2 is there and we have a constant value 9 as well here. So what will be the substitution here? Any idea, anyone? What will be the substitution? Yes? Alright, very good Nasir. That is correct. So yes, it's t. or anything else. Okay, if we go through the t here, what we get inside the square root? We get t square plus 9. Yes, t by t square plus 9. Okay, take a look here, the substitution. That's why we call it a JEE question. 2x plus 2 is equal to what? We have to substitute 3 tan theta. Why 3 tan theta here? You will get it. Just hold on. So 2x plus 2 is equal to 3 tan theta here. Once we substitute, we need to do what? We need to do differentiation. So we get what? 2 dx is equal to what? 3 times sec square theta d theta, or we get what? Dx is equal to 3 by 2 sec square theta d theta. So our question will become what? All right, our question will become very easy now. That should be what? I is equal to integration of sine inverse, yes, inside the bracket 3 tan theta divided by, yes, 3 tan theta, that should be, we can take it as a square, plus 9, yes, and outside it what we have here? 3 by 2 sec square theta and d theta, correct? Okay, now 3 by 2 is the constant value. Take outside the integration, we get what? Sine of inverse, yes, 3 tan theta. Now look at the square root here. A square root of, look at the denominator, square root of 3 tan square theta plus 9, or 9 tan square theta plus 9. Obviously I have to do that part here. 3 tan square theta, that should be 3 square as well, plus 9. We can write 9 as a common, 1 plus tan square theta. So what is 1 plus tan square theta? We know that sec square theta inside, yes. So we can write here 3 sec theta, correct? Yes, into sec square theta d theta. Now try to solve it. Inside the angle 3 gets cancelled out. Tan theta by sec theta. What is tan theta by sec theta? Sine by cos, 1 by cos, yes, cos gets cancelled out. We get only theta, yes, only theta into sec square theta d theta. So what next? Any idea? Yes, what next? Theta and sec square theta. What we have to do now? Two function. So we need to apply by parts, first and second. Okay, keep your 3 by 2 as it is. First function, we have to take theta here. First integration of second sec square theta, yes, minus differentiation of first function and then integration of second function, yes, and then whole integration of second part here. We have to apply by parts here. Okay, just note it down. Yes, just note it down, all of you. All right. Okay, students, note it in done. Okay, focus on the next step. What should we have to do now after by parts here? Yes, after by parts, let's take a look here. It should be what? I is equal to, what we get now? Yes, it's 3 by 2. Substitute the value of theta. That should be tan inverse of 2x plus 2 by 3 into 2x plus 2 whole by 3 minus, yes, log of base e, remember, square root of 1 plus 2x plus 2 by 3 whole of square plus c, correct? And once we simplify, we will get the answer. Easy? Easy to understand? Yes? Okay, all right. All right. Now, it's time to do what? Another important question here. Yes, look at the numerator and denominator. Find the value of integration x square minus 1 dx whole divided by x cube square root of 2x square minus twice of x minus 2x square. Yes, and plus 1. Correct? So easy and simple. Any idea? Anyone? How do we approach this question? Yes? Anyone? Okay. All right. So, if we substitute 2x square, 2x raised to power 4 minus 2x square plus 1, any t or y something, can we get the answer? Look at the numerator. Like we get 4 to the 8x minus 4x. Not possible. Anything else? Anyone? How do we approach this question? Yes, आप कैसे solve करेंगे? Focus on the highest power. Yes, inside the square root here. Okay. First of all, write down I is equal to integration of x square minus 1 dx whole divided by. Now, we have x cube as it is. Look at the square root. 2x raised to power 4 minus 2x square plus 1. Highest power. We need to take a common from square root. Yes, जब आप x raised to power 4 square root से common लेंगे तो फिर क्या आएगा वहां पे? बाहर क्या होगा? Any idea? x raised to power 4 अगर आप common लेते हैं, we get x square outside the square root. Correct? Now inside the square root, what left here? 2 minus 2 by x square plus 1 by x raised to power 4. Correct? Yes. So the question will become what? X square minus 1 divided by x raised to power 5. Yes. Multiplication is square root, that is 2 minus 2 by x square plus 1 by x square. All right. Question food किया. Yes. काफी इजी है ना. अब आपको कुछ सब्स्टिट्यूशन दिख रहा है? अभी भी नहीं दिख रहा है? ओके, ऑल राइट. कैन वी सिंप्लीफाई दिस टर्म लिटिल बिट मोर हियर? एक्स स्क्वायर बाई एक्स रेस्ट टू पावर 5 1 by x cube minus 1 by x raised to power 5, that is our numerator, dx whole divided by square root of 2 minus 2 by x square plus 1 by x raised to power 4. Yes. अभी कोई सब्स्टिट्यूशन दिखा आपको? ऑल राइट. डिवीजन बाई एक्स स्क्वायर. वेरी गुड शांतनु, काफी अच्छी अप्रोच है. यस, वी कैन अप्लाई. सो अभी आप क्या कह सकते हैं यहाँ पे? यहां से कैसे अप्रोच करें? अब कोई सब्स्टिट्यूशन आपको दिख रहा है कुछ? यस, क्वेश्चन काफी सिंप्लीफाई हो चुका है. थिंक अबाउट इट स्टूडेंट्स. सो इजी. थोड़ा सा सिंप्लीफाई किया, अब आप सब्स्टिट्यूशन की तरफ जा सकते हैं. फोकस ऑन डिनोमिनेटर. यस, लुक एट द डिनोमिनेटर. 2 minus 2 by x square plus 1 by x raised to power 4. Let 2 minus 2 by x square plus 1 by x raised to power 4 is equal to 1. Correct? Yes. Anything you can assume here. Differentiate. Differentiation of 2 is 0. Then we have a minus sign, or we can say minus 2 here. 1 by x square. Yes. Minus 2 by x cube and then minus 4 times by x raised to power 5 dx is equal to dy. Okay, again थोड़ा सा और सिंप्लीफाई कर लेना आपको. करेक्ट? एग्जैक्टली, थोड़ा सा सिंप्लीफाई करना है. यू विल गेट द वैल्यू हियर. ऑल राइट. ओके, फोकस ऑन द बोर्ड हियर. सो इजी. वी गेट व्हाट? 4 by x cube minus 4 by x raised to power 5 dx is equal to what? dy, or we can say 1 by x cube minus 1 by x raised to power 5 dx is equal to dy by 4 here. Correct? So easy and so simple here. Exactly. Very easy and very simple. So any idea? All right. Okay. So your question will become what? I is equal to integration of dy by 4 whole divided by square root of t here. No, square root of y here, not t. हमने यहाँ पे y suppose किया है. Okay, many time we use t, but यहाँ पे हमने y suppose किया है. Now integrate and try to mark your option A, B, C or D. Yes, 1 by 4 outside, dy by square root of y. Think about it. Which one is correct? Anyone? All right. Okay. So easy and simple. Students, which option is correct? Think about it. 1 by 2, 2 minus 2 by x square plus 1 by x raised to power 4 plus C. It's option C. Very good, Shantanu. That is correct. All right. Excellent. Excellent. Now, students, another one. Yes. Another expression. Find the value of integration dx by x square x raised to power 4 plus 1 whole raised to power 3 by 4 dx. Yes, think about it. Very easy and very simple question it is. Again we have a very easy question. Think about it. It is very similar to previous one. काफी easy है. कैसे approach करें? Anyone? Any idea? Aditya, Shantanu, yes. Anyone? Take your time. काफी easy question है. It's I is equal to integration of dx by x square x raised to power 4 plus 1 whole raised to power 3 by 4. Yes. Think about it. Highest power. Look at here, the highest power 1 plus x raised to power 4. अगर आप x raised to power 4 कॉमन लेते हैं तो उसके साथ 3 by 4 भी कॉमन आता है, यानी कि okay. So we have dx by x square into x raised to power of 3. Inside the bracket we get 1 plus 1 by x raised to power 4 whole raised to power of 3 by 4. Now we have what? Dx by x raised to power of 5 1 plus 1 by x raised to power 4 3 by 4. Yes. कोई सब्स्टिट्यूशन दिखा आपको यहां पे? कोई भी सब्स्टिट्यूशन बता सकते हैं आप. So easy and simple. All right, Shantanu, very good. So easy. Any substitution? Exactly. If we substitute like 1 plus 1 by x raised to power 4 is t. So what is the differentiation of 1 is 0, and what about 1 by x raised to power 4 here? Minus 4 by x raised to power 5 dx is equal to dt. Or we can see that, yes, or what we can see that here? Any idea? Or we can see that dx by x raised to power 5 is equal to minus dt by 4. Correct? Okay. Now try to solve it. We have I is equal to integration. Yes, dx by x raised to power 5 is replaced by which term? Yes, it is replaced by which term? Any idea? Minus of dt by 4. And look at the denominator. That should be what? T raised to power 3 by 4. So we have I is equal to minus 1 by 4 outside. That is dt by t raised to power 3 by 4 here. Yes, what will be the answer? T raised to power 3 by 4. Just आपको न्यूमरेटर में ले जाना है. Minus 3 by 4 plus 1 upon minus 3 by 4 plus 1. Any guess? Any idea? So we get I is equal to what? Minus times x raised to power 4 plus 1 by x 1 by 4 plus c. Again, option match नहीं हो रहा है. Yes. Which option is correct? Any idea? A, B, C, D. Anyone? Option A, B, C, D. Which one is correct? Think about it. Okay. All right, Shantanu. Yes, option D is the right answer here. Okay. Option D is the right answer. If we write it down, like I is equal to minus times x raised to power 4 plus 1 upon x whole raised to power 1 by 4 plus c. That will be the final answer. Okay. All right. I hope you all are understood here. Students, time to do the next one. Yes. One of the important, or we can say the favorite question here. Integration of a sec square x upon sec x plus tan x whole raised to power 9 by 2 dx is equal to for some arbitrary constant k here. Which option is correct here? We need to solve it. Okay, we have to just take a constant c like that in previous problem. So यहाँ पे भी आपको कोई constant ले लेना, तो यहाँ पे constant को k suppose करना है. So don't be confused here. Okay, so think about it. Any idea? Any guess here? How do we approach here? आप कैसे इस क्वेश्चन को करेंगे? Anyone? Sec square x upon sec x plus tan x whole raised to power 9 by 2 here. Okay, यहाँ पे 11 by option C और D में भी यहाँ पे 11 by 2 है. Okay, so don't confuse. ये आपके ऑप्शन में 11 by 2 है. Anyone know that? कैसे अप्रोच करें इस टाइप के प्रॉब्लम में, क्वेश्चन में? Yes, any guess? Any idea? Okay, no worry here. All right. So कुछ चीजें हैं आपको पता होनी चाहिए. लाइक हियर वी ऑल नो दैट हियर, जैसे कि अभी आपने कोई सब्स्टिट्यूशन लिया है sec x प्लस tan x विच इज इन अ न्यूमरेटर, नो डिनोमिनेटर. आपने इसे t सपोज किया है, करेक्ट? यस, हमने इसे t सपोज किया, सब्स्टिट्यूशन लिया है. ओके, वी नो द आइडेंटिटी एज वेल हियर. sec स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस tan स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1, करेक्ट? Now apply a square minus b square here. A plus b, a minus b. That should be what? Sec x plus tan x into sec x minus tan x is equal to 1 here. Now look at here. Sec x plus tan x, we have already the value here. From equation 1 we can assume here that is t. So if sec x plus tan x is t here, so what will be the sec x minus tan x? That should be 1 by t. We have to take equation number 2 here. Now, once we add both the equation, what we get here? If we add equation 1 and 2, on adding equation 1 and 2 here, we get what? 2 sec x is equal to t plus 1 by t, or either we can say sec x is equal to t plus 1 by t whole divided by 2, correct? Exactly. You have to just mark it. Very important relation. Yes, we will use this in the question here, and this question we will use it. Okay, yes, you have to mark it. Very, very important. So we have a value of sec x here, that is half of t plus 1 by t. We will use it, correct? So try to note it down right now, all of you. All right. Okay, Moin. We have to break into sec 2x. All right. Tan x equal to t, we can use it. 2 sec x minus tan x is equal to 1 by 2 sec x plus tan x. 2 sec x minus tan x is equal to 1 by 2 sec x. 2 sec x minus tan x is equal to 1 by 2 sec x. 2 sec x minus tan x is equal to 1 by 2 sec x. 2 sec x minus tan x is equal to 1 by 2 sec x. 2 sec x minus tan x is equal to 1 by 2 sec x. 2 sec x minus tan x is equal to 1 by 2 sec x. 2 sec x minus tan x is equal to 1 by 2 sec x. 2 sec x minus tan x is equal to 1 by 2 sec x. 2 sec x minus tan x is equal to 1 by 2 sec x. 2 sec x minus tan x is equal to 1 by 2 sec x. 2 sec x minus tan x is equal to 1 by 2 sec x. 2 sec x minus tan x is equal to 1 by 2 sec x. 2 sec x minus tan x is equal to 1 by 2 sec x. 2 That's why it is indefinite. Okay, I hope you all are noted and done here, students. So it's time to do the question here. So the question is, we have here, that is I equal to integration of what? Sec square x whole divided by sec x plus tan of x whole raised to power 9 by 2 dx, correct? Now let's apply your substitution here. So at the denominator, what we have here? At the denominator, we have a sec x plus tan x. So let's apply here, let sec x plus tan x is equal to t, correct? Now differentiate. What is the differentiation of sec x? Sec x tan x. And what about the tan x? Sec square x. So we have to just write it down. Sec x tan x plus sec square x dx is equal to dt. Now something is common. What we have? We have sec x common, sec x. Inside we have again sec x plus tan of x dx is equal to dt. Sec x into, now look at the substitution again here. The substitution was sec x plus tan x is equal to t. Here we need to use again sec x into t dx is equal to dt, correct? Obviously. Now again we have a sec x here. How do we change sec x here? Any idea? Yes, if you remember the last one, that was what? T plus half of t plus 1 by d, correct? Yes. So let's try to substitute the value here. Okay. So what we get here? We need to substitute the value here. Dx is equal to what? Dt by t times, and the value of sec x is nothing but it's half of t plus 1 by t. So our integration will change now. It should be I is equal to what? Half of t plus 1 by t dt by t and whole divided by t raised to power 9 by 2. That should be the integration. Now once we do it, it should be what? Half of integration of 1 by t raised to power 9 by 2 plus 1 by t raised to power 13 by 2 here. Exactly. सिर्फ एक substitution और आपका question solve हो चुका है. So it will become what here? Any idea? Once we solve, what we get here? What will be the option? Minus 1 by sec x plus tan x whole raised to power 11 by 2. Inside the bracket we get 1 by 11 plus 1 by 7 sec x plus tan x whole square bracket close plus k, that is the arbitrary constant. All right. Okay, just try to note it down, all of you. Okay, done, all of you. Take a look here, the next one, the next part. Again, algebraic expression we have here. The integral value of 3x raised to power 13 plus 2x raised to power 11 divided by 2x raised to power 4 plus 3x square plus 1 whole raised to power 4. Yes. Any idea? How do we approach? Which option is correct? Anybody? So easy question it is. Yes, I think one of the easiest question we get here. Think about it. How should we approach here and how do we solve it? Yes, these are the PYQs. All right, Shaurya, that was correct. Very good. So again, we have to approach from like a highest power. Yes, at the denominator, what is the highest power of the variable here? 2x raised to the power 4 plus 3x square plus 1 whole raised to the power 4 here. So highest power will be what? If we take 2x raised to the power 4 common, yes, 2x raised to the power 4 common from the denominator. Look at the whole power is 4 here. So it will become what? It will become x raised to the power 16, correct? So we get what? I is equal to integration of 3x raised to the power 13 plus 2x raised to the power 11 whole divided by x raised to the power 16. And inside the bracket, what we have now? 2 plus 3 by x square plus and then 1 by x raised to the power 4 whole raised to the power 4. Bracket close, that should be dx here. Yes, very good answer, Shantanu. X raised to the power 16. Okay, all right. So can we substitute now? Is it possible 2 plus 3 by x square plus 1 by x raised to the power 4? Is that possible to substitute the value to get the value here? If we take a denominator, let 2 plus 3 by x square plus 1 by x raised to the power 4, anything? Not yet. Again, focus on a term here. Yes, similar to last question here. Exactly. Focus on this part here. Again, we are going to divide here. So, yes, 3 times x raised to the power 13 divided by x raised to the power 16. What we get here? 3 by x cube plus 2x raised to the power 11 by x raised to the power 16. What we get here? Yes, separately we need to solve it. 2 by x raised to the power 5 and whole divided by 2 plus 3 by x square plus 1 by x raised to the power 4 whole raised to the power 4 dx. Now, easy. What we need to substitute here? I think it will become very easy now. Yes, think about it. So easy and simple. Yes, आपका सवाल ब्रेक हो चुका है, आपका क्वेश्चन टूट चुका है, काफी इजी हो चुका है. फोकस ऑन डिनोमिनेटर 2 plus 3 by x square plus 1 by x raised to the power 4 here. अगर आपने डिनोमिनेटर को सब्स्टिट्यूट किया, यस, लेट 2 plus 3 by x square plus 1 by x raised to the power 4. Is it correct? Yes, plus 1 by x raised to the power 4 is equal to t here. Now, differentiate. We need to differentiate here. So, 2 as it is 0 here, what we get here? Minus 6. Minus 6 by x cube and then minus 4 by x raised to the power 5 dx is equal to dt. Now, something we need to take common here. Why not we need to take a common minus 2 from the numerator? Minus 2, correct? We get what? 3 by x cube plus 2 by x raised to the power 5 dx is equal to dt, or 3 by x cube plus 2 by x raised to the power 5 dx is equal to what? Minus half of dt. So integration is changed now here. What we get? Yes, question काफी easy हो चुका है. Integration, that should be what? Minus dt by 2. Yes, and inside the bracket what we have here? T raised to the power of 4 here. Try to solve it and give me the answer. Shantanu, say option A. X raised to power. Okay, think about it one more time. Okay, I just eliminate option A and B here. Think about it. अब कौन सा है आपके पास? 50-50 आ गया चांसेस. C और D. So easy and simple. Take your time. Take your time. So easy and simple, students. Okay. Yes, it's option D is the right answer. Try to simplify more. Okay. अब आप इसके आगे simplify कर सकते हैं. T raised to power minus 4 plus 1 upon minus 4 plus 1. Try to solve it. Okay. All right, students. It's time to do what? Another interesting question. Yes. दिखने में काफी छोटा लग रहा है. Can you guess what will be the answer? कैसे आप solve करेंगे? Integration of sine of 5x/2 divided by sin of x/2 dx. And what will be the answer? Yes, previous year question. PYQ, एक और PYQ, और काफी इंपॉर्टेंट, काफी छोटा है दिखने में बट दमदार. यस, थिंक अबाउट इट. कैसे सॉल्व करें, कैसे अप्रोच करें? थिंक अबाउट इट. एनीवन? ऑलराइट, टेक अ लुक हियर. I have to write down first of all I is equal to integration of sine of 5x/2 divided by sine of x/2 d of x here. Yes, can we adjust something here? क्या आप कुछ भी एडजस्ट कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे? टेक टाइम. साइन ऑफ 5x/2 अपॉन साइन x/2 here. Yes, क्या मैं साइन x/2 से ऊपर नीचे मल्टीप्लाई कर सकता हूँ न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में? कर तो सकते हैं. क्या वो सिंप्लीफाई होगा? वी गेट डिनोमिनेटर में क्या हो जाएगा? साइन स्क्वायर x/2, समथिंग लाइक दैट. फिर क्या, किससे मैं मल्टीप्लाई कर सकता हूँ? यस, कैसे अप्रोच कर सकता हूँ? एनी आइडिया? वी शुड मल्टीप्लाई हियर बाय विच नंबर? दैट शुड बी व्हाट? cos x/2 अपॉन cos x/2 हियर. यस, इतना तो कर लिया. साइन ए cos बी, ऐसा कुछ फॉर्मूला तो है नहीं हमारे पास. यस, ओके. Multiply one more constant, 2 in numerator, 2 in denominator. In a numerator we have 2 sin a cos b. Yes, क्या फॉर्मूला होता है 2 sin a cos b का? Anyone know that? 2 sin a cos b? Yes, sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b here. Now look at the angles here. So it will become what? Sin of a plus b here. 5x/2 plus x/2, 6x/2. That means what? We get sin of 3x plus a minus b, 5x minus x. That should be 4x/2. Okay, 4x/2. That is what? 2x. Correct? Yes, that should be sin 2x here. Okay, denominator काफी easy दिख रहा है. 2 sin a cos b. Yes, 2 sin a cos b, sin theta. Correct? 2 sin x/2 cos x/2 sin theta. 2 sin a cos 2 sin a. Yes, any idea? 2 sin a cos a sin 2a, 2 sin a/2 cos a/2 sin a only. Okay, so let's apply. So it will become sin x only, integration dx. Okay, again triple angle formula, sin 3 theta, 3 sin theta minus 4 sin क्यूब थीटा. लेट्स अप्लाई. यस, काफी इजी. 10th क्लास ट्रिग्नोमेट्री अप्लाई करना है यहाँ पे, और कुछ नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं करना है. सो इजी एंड सिंपल. सो लेट्स अप्लाई साइन 3 थीटा. 3 साइन ऑफ एक्स माइनस 4 साइन क्यूब एक्स प्लस साइन 2 थीटा. अभी हमने अप्लाई किया था हाफ एंगल में. ओके, नाउ डबल एंगल. 2 sin x cos x and whole divided by sin of x dx. Okay, कुछ कॉमन आ रहा है न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर से. Is it? Yes, कुछ तो कॉमन आ रहा है. That is sin x. Okay, sin x को कॉमन लेके हम कैंसिल आउट करते हैं. We get what? 3 minus 4 sin square x plus 2 cos of x dx. Done? Easy? Yes, very easy and very simple here. So अब क्या करें आगे? अब हम इसे ब्रेक करके इंटीग्रेट कर लेंगे. ओके, यस, अब हम इसे ब्रेक करके इंटीग्रेट कर लेते हैं. कैसे करते हैं? टेक अ लुक हियर. इंटीग्रेशन I is equal to integration of 3 d of x minus integration of 4 sin square of x dx and then plus integration of 2 cos x dx here. But look at the middle here. Again, आप 3 को इंटीग्रेट करेंगे, कांस्टेंट है, बाहर जाएगा, x बचेगा. आप cos x को इंटीग्रेट करेंगे, ऑब्वियसली वो भी हो जाएगा आपसे इंटीग्रेशन. बट यहाँ पे sin square x को कैसे इंटीग्रेट करते थे? यस, रिमेंबर, विद द हेल्प ऑफ cos 2 थीटा. यस, आपको cos 2 थीटा का हेल्प लेना होगा. यहाँ पे cos 2 थीटा होता क्या है? 1 minus 2 sin square x. करेक्ट? और what is sin square x from here? 1 माइनस कॉस 2x, ओके, यहाँ पे थीटा मैंने लिख दिया है, एक्चुअली यहाँ पे x होगा, वी हैव टू यूज x here, whole divided by 2 here, that should be used here. Okay, so let's substitute the value. So we get what? 3 of x minus 4 sin square x, 2 gets cancelled out, we get what? Minus 2 integration of 1 minus cos of 2x dx and cos x dx. Integrate it and tell me the answer. Take your time. So easy and simple. यस, काफी इजी है, इतना टफ भी नहीं है जितना आप सोच रहे थे. ऑल राइट, ओके, focus on the next year. Yes, focus on the next year. What we have now? Yes, one more interesting question. Integration of dx upon x cube plus 1 plus x raised to power 6 whole by 2 by 3 is equal to x into fx. Yes, x into fx, 1 plus x raised to power 6 whole raised to power 1 by 3 plus c, where c is the constant of integration. Then find the value of function fx is equal to what here? आपको value of function यहाँ पे निकालना है. Any idea, any guess? How do we find here? How do we approach here? ओके, पहले तो हम इसे सॉल्व करते हैं जैसे हमने प्रीवियस क्वेश्चंस किए हैं सारे. करेक्ट, यस, वो x का हाईएस्ट पावर कॉमन लेकर कैंसिल आउट करना, लाइक दैट. ओके, सो वी हैव व्हाट? I इज इक्वल टू इंटीग्रेशन dx बाय x क्यूब 1 प्लस x रेज़्ड टू पावर 6 होल बाय 2 by 3, दैट इज dx. ओके ओके, वी हैव अ dx टू उठाएंगे, नहीं दो बार dx लिखा है यहाँ पे. ओके, डन. Now at the denominator, अगर आप x raised to power 6 कॉमन लेते हैं तो उसके साथ एक पावर भी बाहर आता है, that is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 कैंसिल होकर कितना बचता है? 3 2 x raised to power 4. So we get what? dx by x cube into x raised to power 4 inside the bracket 1 plus 1 by x raised to power 6 whole raised to power 2 by 3 here. Or we can say integration of dx by x raised to power 7 1 plus 1 by x raised to power 6 whole raised to power 2 by 3. ऑब्वियसली टाइम कम होता है. यस, टाइम कम है और क्वेश्चंस ज्यादा हैं और विद इन अ मिनट आपको सॉल्व भी कर लेना है. सो आपको यहाँ पे थोड़ी सी एक गलती कर सकते हैं कि हाँ, आपको फंक्शन दिखा 1 plus 1 by x raised to power 6, आप इसे सब्स्टिट्यूट करते हैं क्योंकि वहां पे डिनोमिनेटर x raised to power 6 है, तो 1 by x raised to power 7 dx आपका dt में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. यस, यू विल गेट द आंसर हियर. अब अप्रोच करना, सॉल्व भी करना उस तरह से, बट क्या वो मैच करेगा आपके ऑप्शन से? क्या वो मैच करेगा जो आपने किया? एनी आइडिया? क्या वो मैच कर सकता है? यस, आप अप्रोच कर सकते हैं, सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, आपका आंसर भी आएगा, ऐसा नहीं कि आपका आंसर नहीं आएगा. सो कैसे अप्रोच करें इन क्वेश्चंस में? ऑल राइट, सब्स्टिट्यूशन तो कंफर्म है, दैट शुड बी व्हाट? आपका सब्स्टिट्यूशन आपको पता है कि आपको किसे सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है. इज इट? ऑल राइट, आपका सब्स्टिट्यूशन है लेट 1 प्लस 1 बाई एक्स raised to power 6 इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? आप टी एक्स वाई जेड कुछ भी सब्स्टिट्यूट कर सकते हैं. इज दैट करेक्ट? करेक्ट अप्रोच? ओके, थिंक अबाउट इट. आप यहाँ पे y z जो भी है आप सपोज करके करना हो उसे क्वेश्चन. ओके, एक बार आप ट्राई करना, अगर आपसे होता है तो ठीक है, बट वी नीड टू सब्स्टिट्यूट हियर इन अ क्यूबिक टर्म. व्हाई क्यूबिक टर्म? क्योंकि आपको राइट हैंड साइड की वैल्यू से मैच करना है, लाइक दैट. यस, दैट्स व्हाई क्यूबिक टर्म. नाउ डिफरेंशिएट. वंस वी डिफरेंशिएट, व्हाट वी गेट हियर? एनी आइडिया? dx by x raised to power 7 is equal to what? Minus of t square by 2 dt. Now question change. Yes, your integration will become what? I is equal to, yes, I is equal to what? Integration minus 1 by 2 dt only, or we can say minus t by 2 plus c. Correct? Okay, Shantanu, let me check. So quick. Let me check. So minus t by 2 plus c. Or either we can say like minus 1 by 2. Yes, what was the t here in term of x? 1 by x square, 1 plus x raised to power of 6, 1 by 3 plus c. Or we can compare right now. Yes, what we get here? Minus 1 by 2x square or 2x cube. Yes, if we compare, that is our fx here. Yes, that is our fx here. So that should be option D. Is it clear? Yes, that should be the option D here. Just note it down, all of you. Yes, so easy and simple. Very easy and very simple. Kindly note it down, all of you. All right. Done. Okay, students. Moving forward here. So yes, I hope you clear all your doubts here, students. So we have a basically few PYQ here, like we can assume as a homework questions here. Yes, not so much here. Only 1 or 2 questions are there. Look at the first one here, integration of cos theta upon 5 plus 7 sine theta minus 2 cos square theta d theta is equal to a log of mod b theta plus c, where c is the constant of integration. Then b theta by a, we need to calculate the value here. Yes, I just give you a hint here. Okay, like in a denominator, look at the denominator, we have a cos square theta. Try to convert into sine term. Yes, we can write 1 minus sine square theta. Now in a denominator we have a sine theta and 1 minus sine square theta, and the numerator we have a cos theta. So just assume sine theta is equal to something x, y, z, whatever you like here. So sine theta you can assume y. Okay, so cos theta d theta will become dy here. Then make a perfect square. You will get answer very, very quickly. Yes, very quickly you will get the answer here. Is it clear, all of you? 2 sine theta plus 1 upon sine theta plus 3. Yes, exactly. So easy, and multiply by 5. Very easy and very simple approach we have here. Correct? आपको क्या करना है? सिर्फ और सिर्फ cos स्क्वायर थीटा को sin स्क्वायर थीटा के टर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है और sin थीटा को सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है. ओके, सो आपको cos थीटा d थीटा कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा dt में. आपको परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बनाना है डिनोमिनेटर में. इट विल बिकम सो इजी. Yes, this is a homework question. You have to simply write your answer in a chat box. Okay, आपको comment box में answer लिखना है. Remember. All right. Okay. Look at the next one. एक और क्वेश्चन है आपके पास. Yes, the integration of 2x cube minus 1 upon x to the power 4 plus x dx is equal to what? Yes. Any idea? कैसे solve होगा ये question? Anyone? Yes. Okay. All right. Yes, काफी easy question है ये भी. Focus on a numerator and denominator. If we divide by x square in both, yes, numerator and denominator, what we get here? What we get here? Any idea? 2x minus 1 by x square whole divided by what? X square plus 1 by x here. Done? Yes, if we divide x square in numerator and denominator, so we get 2x minus 1 by x square whole divided by x square plus 1 by x here. Yes, focus on a denominator. If we substitute the value x square plus 1 by x is equal to y or anything, we will get what? 2x minus 1 by x square dx is equal to dt. Yes, so easy, one step solution. काफी easy था. Exactly. So what is the trick here? The trick only we need to divide x square in numerator and denominator, we will get the answer. Yes. अगर आपने डायरेक्टली सॉल्व किया तो क्या ये होता है? नहीं बनता है. Yes. Now one more, one last question. Yes, ये भी आपका एक क्वेश्चन है. Alpha belongs to 0 to 5 by 2. Be a constant of integration of tan x plus tan alpha divided by tan x minus tan alpha dx is equal to a of x cos 2 alpha plus b of x sin 2 alpha plus c, where c is the constant of integration, then the function of ax and bx are respectively. कुछ ना समझ में आए, साइन और कॉस में चेंज करें. ओके, यस, वंस वी कन्वर्ट, लाइक आप tan x को लिख सकते हैं sin बाई cos, sin x बाई cos x, करेक्ट. और आप tan अल्फा को लिख सकते हैं sin अल्फा बाई cos अल्फा. नाउ डू द क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन, ये टर्म सिंप्लीफाई होगा. ओके, ये टर्म सिंप्लीफाई होंगे और सिंप्लीफाई बन के क्या बनेंगे, साइन ए प्लस बी और साइन ए माइनस बी. ओके, यस, साइन ए प्लस बी और साइन ए माइनस बी. सो वी कैन से लाइक कुछ इस तरह के टर्म बनने वाले हैं आपके, साइन एक्स प्लस अल्फा अपॉन साइन एक्स माइनस अल्फा. ओके, यू मे ट्राई इट. अब इसके आगे आपको क्या करना है, आपको इसे सॉल्व करना है. कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे, आप एडजस्ट कर सकते हैं एंगल्स में, अदरवाइज आपको कुछ इस तरह बनाना है तो आप क्या कर सकते हैं, लेट x माइनस अल्फा इज इक्वल टू टी और डी टी, आप इसे सपोज करें. ओके, t और y और z वट एवर यू लाइक, x माइनस अल्फा इक्वल टू x y z एनीथिंग वट एवर यू लाइक हियर, आप इसे सपोज करें और सॉल्व करें. डेफिनेटली यू विल गेट द आंसर. यस, आपको भी आंसर कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखना है. ओके, क्लियर? यस, काफी इजी है. साइन एक्स प्लस अल्फा अपॉन साइन एक्स माइनस अल्फा, और मैंने आपको हिंट दे दिया है कि आपको एक्स माइनस अल्फा को सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है. क्लियर? ऑल राइट, फोकस ऑन नेक्स्ट हियर. यस, द लास्ट वन, इफ एफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ एक्स अपॉन 1 प्लस एक्स होल ऑफ स्क्वायर डी एक्स, वेयर एक्स इज मोर देन और इक्वल टू 0, देन एफ ऑफ 3 माइनस एफ ऑफ 1 इज इक्वल टू व्हाट. पहले आपको इसे इंटीग्रेट करना है. इंटीग्रेट करने के बाद आपको फंक्शन की वैल्यू, यस, x इक्वल टू 3 और x इक्वल टू 1 पे फाइंड करके उन्हें सब्ट्रैक्ट करके आंसर लिखना है. नहीं, काफी लेंदी नहीं है, काफी इजी क्वेश्चन है. यस, ओके, इफ यू वांट अ हिंट हियर, सो आपके पास जो वेरिएबल है न्यूमरेटर में वो स्क्वायर रूट के अंदर है. इफ इट इज इनसाइड द स्क्वायर रूट, व्हाट शुड वी हैव टू अप्लाई? यस, आप यहां पे x को सपोज कर सकते हैं tan स्क्वायर थीटा. करेक्ट? Yes, and write your answer in a chat box, all of you. Yes, काफी इजी हो चुका है अब ये क्वेश्चन, आप काफी इजीली से कर सकते हैं. x इक्वल टू tan स्क्वायर थीटा. यस, मे बी बाई पार्ट्स का यूज हो, मे बी, काफी रेयर है. Alright, students, so that's it from my end here. These are the Byju's, these are the Embibe features here. So yes, let's take a look here. From this starting here, Embibe learn. Yes, we have like watch 70,000 plus video and doubt resolution as well here. We have a Embibe live classes, parent app as well here, that is assign plus track your child performance, achieve journey here, leverage and diagnostic test, assessment knowledge gap here, Embibe practice test as well, जो कि आप yes continue दे सकते हैं अपने आप को, interactive Kubo lesson and lens as well here. Yes, जो कि हमने पहले बात की थी कि आपको ये सारे एप्लीकेशन डाउनलोड्स करने थे. कौन कौन से? यस, Embibe Lens, Embibe Students and Laboratory. All right, students. So yes, this is Sheikh Rafique signing off. See you in the next class and hope आप सभी लोग बोलेंगे नहीं होमवर्क क्वेश्चंस करने के लिए. ओके, एंड ट्राई टू लाइक एंड शेयर एज वेल. यस, जितना ज़्यादा शेयर कर सके करते रहें. Thank you so much for joining today. See you in the next class. Take care, all of you. Yes, and don't forget to download the app here, Embibe VLE app, Embibe application, and Embibe Lens app as well here. Okay, students? All right. So yes, and one more time, I have to remind about your doubt resolution, WhatsApp application as well as टेलीग्राम. यस, ट्राई टू जस्ट ज्वाइन इट. काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें होती हैं जो आपको समझ में ना आए तो आप वहाँ पे क्लियर कर सकते हैं काफ़ी अच्छे से. सो टेक केयर, सी यू ऑल ऑफ यू, सी यू नेक्स्ट क्लास. टेक केयर ऑल ऑफ यू.